right, take a look at this beauty. 1951 Olds 98 Holiday Coupe. Of course, the Holiday would have meant this was a two-door hardtop. Would have been the top of the line vehicle in 1951 from Oldsmobile. The 98 actually was available in 3 different body styles. You've had the convertible, you would have the sedan, and of course the Holiday here. Nice looking car. This particular vehicles would have came with a 303 Rocket V8 underneath the hood. This particular one has an L Brock carb put on it, tri-power, power steering. We'll check out underneath that hood in a little bit. You can take a look at it. Very nice, tidy engine bay on this one. Just a long, sleek vehicle back in 1951. Bright work and chrome on this. You'll see a few spots where there's some real kind of light pitting. I don't know if I can pick it up there. You go in the video, but other than that, you take a look up and down the chrome in this vehicle. You can see it's got a nice shine to it. Nice luster, kind of the same with the paint. Yeah, you'll find where it's been touched up here and there, a few imperfections in it. I noticed one up kind of on the fender where it's been touched up a little bit right there. If you can kind of pick that up in the video. But still very presentable. Nice driver quality paint, I would call it. Bright work is decent up and down the sides of it, riding on the wide whites. Tell you what, check out the still pictures. You can see still pictures of this car at uniqueclassiccars.com. Look down below this video in the description. You're going to see a link. Click on that. That'll take you to our website and check out the still pictures. Or feel free to call us. Be happy to answer any questions you may have. 507-386-1726. You can see up and down this too how straight it is. I mean, you get a car this long and black, you're going to see if it's uneven or a real thick car, like we say, waving at you. This car seems to be pretty darn straight. And again, look at all the bright work on this. Nice a shape that's in. Fender skirts in the back. Again, those wide whites with the Oldsmobile wheel covers. And that sleek roof line with the Holiday hardtop. Cool cars. You just don't see a lot around like this anymore. Come around to the rear. Again, dual exhaust coming out the back with some nice bright work on it. The chrome on the rear bumper. Also very nice shape. Trim work around the lights in good shape. I try to point out, here's a little spot like in the paint. Some imperfections, if you can kind of see that. A little bit of checking. So there are a few spots in the paint, but overall, see it's got a nice luster to it, nice shine. Fun car to take into your local shows, or cruise in, roll-ins in your area. Once again, down below this video, there's a link. Click on it. It's going to take you to uniqueclassiccars.com. Our number, 507-386-1726, of course. Now, we do consider trades. Financing is available. And, of course, we can assist you with getting this car to where you're located at. Would have been the 3rd generation. Olds 98 and 51. I believe the last year to carry the 98 numeric trim level to it. I think after that they went to spelling out 98 in 1952, if I remember right. Interior has also been redone. There you can see we got power windows. Power windows do work. They're all down. Interior done up in kind of a cloth vinyl gray black combination. See the seat's in nice shape. Has the seat belts installed in the front. Just come around and look at the rear. Rear seat matching, also very nice shape. Headliner with the crossbows, chrome crossbows. How cool is that up there? Also nice shape. Other than that, kind of retains the stock dash and steering wheel. I did have the radio. Clicked it on here just a little bit ago, see if it would power up. I have power to it, but no sound or anything coming out of it. But it did power up. Let's go ahead and start this up. Key down here. You can see this. And then a push button to start. Make sure you're in neutral. Alright, check out that dash. I noticed the oil pressure did come up. The amps did move. Know those 2 gauges work for sure. Little clock on the dash. Notice that wasn't going around yet anymore. can see, wipers also work. Flip those on a second. Whoop, let's turn them back off here when they slip down. Nice, smooth running car. Starts easily. Slip around to the back. You can hear this one run. We'll check out that engine bay. Door closes nicely. Nothing too crazy out of the exhaust. Just a nice little rumble coming out of that rocket V8 underneath the hood. I'm going to slip up to the front. Pretty big hood here. I'm going to pause this video a second. It'll probably take me a couple hands to get that open. So give me a second. Let's check out that engine bay. Alright, got the hood pop there. Doesn't open too bad at all. The release is on the inside for this. As you can see, there is a dead man switch or a cutoff with a battery there. There's your old rocket V8 underneath. The hood, power steering. Like I said, Edelbrock manifold with a tri-power setup. Nice and smooth that engine runs. What a cool cruiser this would be. There you have it, 1951 Olds Holiday Coupe in a 98 model. Give us a call, 507-386-1726. Once again, down below this video, click on the link. It'll take you to uniqueclassiccars.com. Financing is available. We do consider trades. And of course, we can sure assist you with the transportation to where you're located at. Look forward to hearing from you. This beautiful, sleek black Oldsmobile.